Today I'm doing a study on birds. Welcome, my friends. This is Rozani. There's so many birds that can be created, but I haven't perfected the art. I'm just playing with my papier mâché and making some shapes, but I do want to improve. Now, I love the idea of making ravens and these little fat birds. I don't really know what they're called, but they can be just about anything. Little chickadees. I don't really know. Maybe this one could be a raven or a crow. But these are just basic shapes from different papier mâché techniques. So why not give these a try? You could just experiment until you get the hang of it, and later you can add on. Of course, you can make them with flat backs and turn them into jewelry pieces. And practicing with your papier mâché is always a good start to any project. And you can join me while I'm practicing. I'm going to do a practice session at least once a month during a premiere, which will be announced ahead of time. However, it's going to be on Central Time, so if you're not able to make it there, you can catch me on the replay. The good thing about these premieres is that it gives us an opportunity to chat live. And if you can't stay long, just drop in to say hi. So I thank you so much for being here with me. And do visit my playlists when you get a chance. Meanwhile, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.